Hey guys, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So in today's video, we are going to do a wig installment, heatless curls with some Flexi Rods and some rollers. So if you want to see how I get my Flexi Rod heatless, bouncy, beautiful, voluptuous bombshell curls, stay tuned. If you want to see, so don't forget to like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Cierra _slay. So don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Queen Cierra, and don't forget to follow my business TikTok Queen Cierra Boutique. I love you guys so much. Hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below what video you want to see next. And I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you guys for rocking with me. And let's get on into the video.
Homicide, backwoods, so it's all good. They see make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real woman keep us up. Down bad I can call her. Ooh yeah, sex so good might get a Birkin. She deserve it. Show me love, 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 show me love. Talk to me, Thunderbird. Wobble up, wobble, wobble up, wobble on the grass, wobble up, wobble, wobble up, wobble on the grass, wobble up, wobble, wobble up, wobble on the grass, wobble up, wobble, wobble up, wobble on the grass, wobble like, wobble like, wobble like, wobble like, wobble like, wobble like, wobble like.
I am currently trying to measure and figure out where to punch the hole into my lace so I can start cutting out the ear portion of this unit.
Talk to me, Thunderbird.
And since the ear tabs were not sticking and I had to cut the ear portion out, my lace came up a little bit, so now I'm just going to respray that hairline and use a blow dry to blow dry the hairspray so we can melt our ear tabs. I just wanted to do a freeze frame right here and just look at this lace. Oh my god, my hairline is just blending into my scalp, girl. So do not mind that white splat right there. It's gonna get fixed with some more hairspray and spray, and we're just gonna melt our lace even further. Hunty.
Like
So I'm using an eyebrow razor. I love using these eyebrow razors that I get. You get these from the dollar store for $1 or the hair store, and I love just to cut my lace with them instead of doing a zigzag motion with some scissors. And we are cutting that lace, and it is melting. Like, oh my god. After I spray some more bedhead and some more Sebastian Shaper Plus, it just melts right in, girl.
Talk to me, Thunderbird.
Because you won't be able to see none of that white stuff. It's going to be gone after we spray some more bedhead and some more Sebastian Shaper Plus. I did lose a clip of me spraying my whole hairline. So if you follow this video and you have white residue on your face, just, if it's not on the lace, if it's not white residue on the lace, you can just wipe it off with the Q-tip. Or you can just spray some more bedhead and then spray some more Sebastian Shapers Plus spray, hairspray, and then hit it with the blow dryer and elastic band, and boom, melt it to the gods. Okay. Now I was having a little problem today with my sideburns. Like, they were not cooperating with your girl. So I was just like, she wasn't working with me. So I just had to like pull her down and force her to stick, because she was not sticking. Like, it was kind of irritating me. So I sprayed a lot more hairspray than I'm usually like to spray on my hair. But I just had to. It wasn't sticking to the hairline, so I had to spray my actual hair. But it's fine. I didn't rip out my hair. So just be careful. If you put hairspray or the bed hair or any strong hair spray or lace spray on your hair, just be extremely careful and patient when you take your wig off, so you won't be ripping out your hair, so you won't be bald-headed. I lost a clip of me finishing off my hairline, but I'll show you the end result at the end of the video. Now, I cannot stand this show on Netflix. I think it's called the Squid Games, when they're on the game show and they're doing all this killing and stuff. Yes, do not watch this show when you are doing your hair, guys, because on one side my Flexi Rods look all nice and neat and polished, and then the other side it looks all sloppy because I was too busy trying to do my hair and watch the show. So if you're gonna do your hair and watch TV, do it on a show like you rewatch and you kind of know it. Because if you're watching a brand new show and you're trying to put Flexi Rods in, I was so distracted. This show had me addicted. I was just so distracted, and my Flexi Rods did not come out. They still came out cute at the end of the day. They still came out cute. But I wish the other side that I messed up on was a little bit tighter. But it's fine. It still came out cute. And all I have in that spray bottle is some regular tap water. We are going to spray our hair in these rollers so they can set and be heatless curls. Now, for it to be heatless, you will have to let your hair air dry. But if you are in a rush, you want to do this before school or something, before work, put your hair in Flexi Rods, right? And then hit it with the blow dry or let it air dry on your way to work. Take your rollers out and boom, heatless curls.
Talk to me, Thunderbird.
And just look at these curls, baby. They look so good. They just look so good. And if you want a video on how I got this cute natural beat, let me know in the comments below, and I will do that for you, babe. And all I'm doing is taking my Got2be Freeze Blast spray and just spraying my curls, just setting them. And now I'm just breaking up the curls after I sprayed them. As soon as they got out the Flexi Rods, I'm just breaking up the curls, brushing it out, making my hair big and voluptuous and really fluffy. And I'm taking a brush and just brushing them out, just playing with my hair to the way to so my hair just looks nice, big, and full. And I need you guys to recommend me in the comments below a bomb wax stick, because I do like my wax stick, but it is kind of oily, and it looks, and in certain parts of my hair look shinier than others, and I don't like that. So now I'm going to take off my scarf, and we are going to do these little swoops. If you see like my wig tabs coming up, I did film this part on day 2, and I only did lay down like the middle part of my eyebrows. I mean, that's the middle part of my eyebrows, the middle part of my lace, and I didn't glue or spray down my tab, because as soon as the video was over, I snatched that wig right off. So do not mind that. But I'm just taking some hair out, and we are going to be plucking, well, I'm going to be plucking these baby hairs, so I don't have no thick nasty baby hairs, and I'm going to swoop them with some Freeze Blast spray, and I just spray my edge brush, and I just swoop my baby hairs and lay them back down with the scarf, and that was it.
Talk to me, Thunderbird. Talk to me, Thunderbird.
Thank you guys for making it to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe what you want to see next. And I will see you baddies in the next video. Bye.